Hi friends, welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching this video, and I do hope you having a good long weekend. So just making this video today as we have some of these international plane collection. So actually these are the planes we have travel on each of these planes. So just wanted to share with you. So these are all the planes models. So we start with the Malindo, which was Indonesian airline, and later on I think it's bought by Malaysia, and its new name is Batik Air, and I think they changed the logo and everything. So that's your Malindo model. And then we move to Malaysia airline, which is the new color combination of all the new line, the new planes. And we fly on one of these last year when I've been to Malaysia and Langkawi Island, and then Kuala Lumpur to Singapore, and then Singapore to back to Kuala Lumpur. So this is a new Malaysian airline model. And this one over here is Fly Dubai, and I traveled on this plane back in 2008. So this is Fly Dubai, you can see. And move to the next one is Vietnam Airlines. We actually just traveled last month in Feb. We've been to Perth to Ho Chi Minh City, and then Ho Chi Minh City to Seoul, and Seoul to Ho Chi Minh City and back to Perth. And this is one of the Vietnam new line as well. Then AirAsia is really famous in this part of the world. It's they're actually run by Malaysia, Indonesia, and some other countries. So we traveled on this one last year. I've been to Bali, Indonesia. Then you move to Air New Zealand, beautiful black and grey, and you travel in 2022 to Queenstown, from Melbourne to Queenstown, and then Queenstown to Wellington, and Wellington to Auckland, and back to Melbourne from Auckland. One of these planes in New Zealand. Qatar Air, a couple of years back, traveled to Doha from Perth via these Qatar Airways, light green and grey. Then we have our national airline, which is Qantas. Many time travel within Australia. And move to the Korean Air. As you can see, last year we fly from Seoul to Tokyo, Haneda, and from Narita, Tokyo to back to Busan, and Busan to Seoul. One of the Korean airline, the national airline. Then we move to Thai Airways, many time travel back home to Bangkok and to Phuket from Perth, and to Vietnam, Cambodia on the way, and use as a major airline. Singapore Airline travel last year as well, and back in 2020 during the COVID time, Perth to Singapore and then Singapore to back to Perth. Sri Lankan Airline 5-6 years back fly from Perth to Colombo and Colombo to Karachi. Yeah. Philippines Airline fly from Perth to Manila and then Manila to Tokyo Haneda. Malaysia Airline old plane model, fly 15 years back from back home to KL and KL to Perth. Garuda Indonesia, national Indonesian airline, fly 2017 to Bali. And these models are really solid and high quality, made with the aluminium, and they are a bit expensive if you buy in from Australia. They are like $50. You have to buy online, but we bought all these models from Kuala Lumpur, from KL, and it's a place called Chinatown. It's a wholesale place, so we bought it for like $25 each. And you can also buy them on Alibaba or AliExpress. I think the same price, $20 to $25 Australian. And also we have some more coming, like 15 of them coming. I already placed an order for them on the way from AliExpress, and they're gonna be here like next week, and we're gonna make another video. And later on we're gonna make videos on our souvenir collection from all around the world. You can see from Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Bali, Malaysia, Singapore. So we're gonna make another video for each of the country. China, you can see. So this is going to be a separate video for these souvenirs. So thanks friend again for your time watching the video, and if you already didn't subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you, and see you in the next video.